Hello guys, I'm Firdaus Haris and this is my tutorial about the common problem we're facing in everyday life, which is this USB does not shown in our laptop. Okay, here's I'm gonna plug in. Okay, you hear the sound, it's been plugged in, and tada, it doesn't show here. It is 14 gigabyte, and I will use this very easy step to fix this problem. Okay, what we need to do is we go to the Windows and type in this. We click on create and format hard disk partition. It may take some time if you haven't opened it yet. Okay, and this is our hard drive. The reason why is it doesn't have any letters such as C, E, D, so it can't be shown in the Explorer. In order to solve this, we're gonna right click on it and click on change drive letter in paths. We're gonna add and select a letter. Okay, and tada, when we open the Windows, it will shown as USB drive F. Okay, today my tutorial is over, and that's it. We're gonna meet you in other time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on below. Thanks guys.